The conventions and style around variables followed in this course are: variables should be written in lower cases. If a variable is a multi-word variable, we should prefer to split the words by an underscore and write everything in lowercase like snake case in Python. Although if the word is readable, keeping it one word might be okay, but we should prefer things like user underscore address to user address. Variables should be descriptive of the value they're intended to have. Things like house underscore color or source underscore file are okay. It's also okay to have a single letter variable like A, B, C, or X, Y, Z for arithmetic purposes. For all other purposes, let's use a descriptive value. For constants, if we know the value of a variable will not change, let's use a read-only modifier in front, and we will treat it as a constant. Constants are written in uppercase. All other rules for naming are the same as a regular variable, with words separated by underscores. This is a sample syntax of constants written in uppercase. We are showing both one-word and multi-word constants. The use of constants is a common practice in other programming languages. First, marking a constant as read-only ensures that its value cannot be changed. If the constant represents a value that should not be changed, such as the value of a source file, location, or something else pertinent to a system configuration required to be present for the script to run successfully, it's a good idea to mark it as read-only to turn it into a constant. There are readability benefits that using the read-only modifier provides, because when a constant is marked as read-only, it is clear to other developers reading your code that the value of the constant should not be changed. But also, read-only modifier will protect the value from being changed accidentally later in the script. For variables that will or can be used by another script outside of the local script, using an export modifier in front of the variable name is needed.